Okay, guys, it is auction day. It is also right before the Super Bowl. Here today being Thursday or Friday. I think it's Thursday. So we're gonna go in and I'm gonna go through a step-by-step process on different places. I'm not even gonna get into that video yet. I am gonna do a full video on where you can buy cars, not need a license, and all of that here really soon. Today's video is just going to be going through the auction. We're going to go through the auction that I go to on a regular basis up in North Carolina, where I get some really good deals. Like I got my Envoy, a Mercury Cougar, the BMW, the last last 5 series, the 530 E39 I got from there. The 2020 Toyota Corolla and a couple other ones. So let's go ahead and go right into it. Oh, right after this epic shot of some pancakes or waffles.
Florida.
All right, guys, so today it is auction day. This one is my North Carolina auctions. Now, there's usually 6 to 10 in this lot every week from me, Bane, and they're usually always cheap. I know I'm giving away all of my secrets for you guys that want to buy cars for cheap. Someone's going to steal this and start coming here every week, I know. But no license is required. I'm going to do a full video on what states you can buy on and what states you can't buy on without a broker. Screw all that broker shit. This is just, and nothing against the companies that sell the service to do it. I'm just like, why do it? Just buy it from another place. Go get the car. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, I'm not going to really deal with this one. It's very important to read what kind of doc types you got here. So you can see here, this one is a North Carolina bill of sale. There's no title with this car. You're just getting a bill of sale to say that it's not stolen. So you're not going to register it. It's literally just a parts car. Could you get a title for it? Probably. It might have a title loan on it, a lien. Who knows? So, but the thing I like about these lots is I'll throw one bid in and you'll see me drop in with the North Carolina bid, bloop, bloop, and keep it moving. Like this one right here for parts. This is a 2008 Subaru Outback that has some pretty extensive damage along the side. It's missing the door, the front end's kind of damaged, and it's an enhanced vehicle. But for $200, it's not bad. Now, this Honda Accord was very interesting to me. A lot of these cars, now you got to think, even if you win the auction here for say $250 or $300, you're going to have another say $250, maybe $300 in fees, okay? So that Accord went cheap. This Avalon's probably going to go cheap. Now, it didn't run and drive. Obviously, you can see that suspension damage right there up front with that wheel. But it's still going to go cheap, and it's a Toyota with only 100,000 miles, which means it has a lot of life left. So you can see this, people know that. So you're going to see people go back and forth here in North Carolina that are bidding on these cars cheap and try to get a good deal. Now, even if you get like this next car, I'm not a fan of the Altimas because the transmissions are really crap, but it's an 09. It's a great flip car. It's got 193,000 miles in it. So it's probably already had some transmission work done to it. That's why you see people in Mexico bidding, people in Texas bidding. Because this car, when you really look at it, if you end up getting it, which I think somebody got it here for like $300 or $275. I don't even think it went. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, bonus time. I hate when they do that, man. You think you win the car, and then they nail you with that bonus time, man. And then it just makes somebody be like, oh, let me just bid. See? Look at that. Somebody bid it up another $50. That's foul, man. You could have already won that. So, but still, you got to figure $325. They just won that car. Another $300. So $625. I got a running and driving Altima that doesn't look like a big piece of trash. Okay. Same thing with this 2001 Camry, which is coming up on a lot. Now, all of these cars are sub $600. Every single one of these cars. Now, think about that. You pick up one of these cars, if it needs a little minor thing, maybe a hood or something else, and you end up having like $500 into it or something, you sell the car for $2,000, man, you're doubling up your money. So that's what the wonderful thing I love about Copart and buying these cars to flip them is you can make some significant income from it. All right, guys, so it's legitimately that easy. If you've never thought about bidding in a salvage auction, or maybe you're like, well, how am I going to fix it? Look, there's plenty of people online that are successful now that are buying from Copart that don't fix their own cars. No shots fired. No shade. I know people are immediately going to be like, you're throwing shade. I'm not throwing shade.
Oh, shit.
I'm just being honest. Look, if you got it like that and you can take it to a shop and let somebody else fix it, so be it. You know, Sam Crack does that. You know, now to be fair, people are going to say, oh, we've seen him fix cars before. Yeah, I really haven't seen him work on anything since the pizza car. Oh yeah, I think he did do some work on like that Ferrari or something. But for the most part, he runs his car stupid. Look, if it's something major by me, like if it's a peripheral, anything on any accessory, belt, alternator, water pump, oil pan, transmission, solenoids, anything like that, I'm gonna do. If I gotta pull the motor, it's going to a shop. Okay, I'm not doing it. I ain't got time for that. I don't have time for it.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
But if it's a peripheral, something that I can just do myself, of course I'm going to do it and save that money in labor. It's just makes sense, especially if it's a car that I'm buying to make a profit on. It doesn't make any sense for me to go pay somebody else $120 an hour to work on a car. Then I could just do it my damn self. You see what I'm saying? Anyways, I digress. It's not difficult to do. It's pretty easy. I'm hoping that me showing you guys that process or showing you guys how it works is easy. It's really easy to sign up. I don't even have an affiliate link. Don't want an affiliate link from Copart. Just go to Copart.com, sign up, submit your driver's license, submit whatever they ask for, and you're good to go. All right, you can go in and bid. And I will be doing an in-depth video because I know people are going to say, but where can I bid? If I'm in Florida, it says I need a broker. Yes, or you need a business license on certain vehicles or a dealer license for other vehicles. Lucky for me, I actually have a friend who is a car dealer, so I don't have to I don't have to use a broker. I literally just they give me a login. They're not buying wrecked cars. But I knew the family over there that owns it. They have dealerships in Chicago, all over the place. So they went ahead and created an account so I could actually log in as a dealer and bid. So when I'm in Florida, I use that only because otherwise you have to have a broker. I'm going to go into the intricacies of that. And does a broker cost a lot of money? They charge a percentage, a fee, plus like a $400 deposit. If you're just starting, it's really not the way you want to go. You want to go to Georgia where they don't have any restrictions. You can just buy whatever the hell you want. You want to go buy a Ferrari? Guess what? They got them in Atlanta. It's just like Miami. It's on and popping. You know, the Bentayga that we purchased, I purchased that thing in Atlanta. You can get pretty much whatever you want. I think I bought a Panamera from Atlanta too. So from the auction at Copart in Atlanta. And you know, some Coparts have different rules. Some of them will let you take a credit card if it's not on file with your account. Others won't have to be on file. I'm going to try to do an in-depth video on like the best places to buy, which I know people are going to say that's going to squeeze you out. Why would you do that? Because it's not. I do it for fun. I love working on cars. I like tinkering on cars. And the cars that I'm probably going to bid on, I know people ain't going to mess with. You know, I'm bidding on those BMWs with transmission issues because I know it's just a shift solenoid. You know what I'm saying? I'm bidding on the GMC Envoy that's slipping. I'm bidding on like stuff that no one's going to buy, you know? So I'm not too much tripping or bugging out about that. All right, guys, so if you guys enjoyed today's video or it was informative to you and you were able to learn something, smash the thumbs up button. Make sure to click the subscribe button. We're continuing growing, and we're getting very close to that 9,000 subscriber mark. So I really appreciate all of the help and support you guys sharing the videos on Facebook and Twitter and all of that. It means the world to me. I really appreciate it. And we should get there in the next couple of days. I'm excited, man. And from there on, we're going to go to 10, and we're just going to keep growing. But yeah, stay tuned. If you guys would like to see a best places to buy Copart cars for cheap type of video, where I kind of break it down in depth and show you like about how much you're going to spend on your basic cheap flip car in different places, like where you don't need a license, things of that nature, let me know by smashing the thumbs up button and commenting said comment below. Let me know if you want to know where the best places to buy are and things of that nature. Remember, the car giveaway is still going on between myself and Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. It's very simple to enter. Just go to the original giveaway video. There'll be like a picture of the Tahoe to say giveaway or something on it. Go in there and make a comment. Go over to Randy's video over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. He's got a giveaway video over there. Comment on his video. And that's it. You're entered. It's real simple. We're going to be doing that announcement here before Valentine's Day, probably by the end of the first week of February. We're still nailing that exact date down, but coming very, very, very soon. So if you want to get in on it, you need to do it now. We're at like, I think 16 or 1700 entries at this point. There is no purchase necessary. You don't got to buy a t-shirt. I don't got to sell you a Badussi shirt or a Badussi hat or a TK's Garage coffee mug or none of that. So, and for that matter, we don't have any merch, but I know Randy does. So go over to Auto Auction Rebuilds and go buy a t-shirt or something on GP. Is not required for you to get into the giveaway. Is not going to help your chances. We just like to help support the brothers channel. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.